So, Teresa, so we go ato ta sa approval class. So there is approval class. This is the abstract class, basic class for all approvers. It defines the common paper for all concrete handler. So, it's manager, director, and the vice president. Then, protect protected approver, mix approve, and this protect the enzyme bio that holds a reference to the handler approved in the next chain. Protected means it's accessible to subclass that does not outside of the class. Then sa sa next approver, this method allows setting a next approver in the chain. So it is called a client to link handler together. In public abstract, void void approve request, double amount, an abstract method that must be implemented by all concrete subclass. This is where each subclass will define its own logic for handling approval requests. Then a concrete class which is the manager. So the class extended approval, the manager class extend to the abstract approver. The class means it inherits its property method and methods. The public void approved request. This method that handles the approval request if amount 1,000. If the amount is less than or equal to 1,000, if the request amount is less than or equal to 1,000, the manager approves it by printing a message. And else if next approver null equal null. If the amount request is higher than 1,000, the manager check if there is another handler. So the next approver here, next approver in the chain. So it passes the request to the next handler. So these are all the next handler, the director. They have the same methods and they all have the same methods to check if the request amount is valid or not. So if the amount is not valid, then the next handler then the handler will pass the amount to the next handler. So then we go to the here chain of responsibility demo.java. The This is the client class that set up the chain of responsibility and test it. Public void main string arc. This is the entry point of the application where the chain is created. So up here the approver the approver manager equals new manager is a new manager instance is created. So are these two, the director and the vice president. Then the manager test for the request. So if the request is in the amount of, let's say for example, uh here 15,000. So let's run the code. So here the vice president has approved the request. So let's say we change the amount to, let's say, 25,000. So here let's run the